Hello students, my name is Shazia Khan. Today's subject is Geography, Standard 6, Chapter number 1, The Earth and the Gratitude. Students, this is a world map. In this map, you can see 7 continents. The most popular monument is Taj Mahal. Here, this monument is located in Agra, and Agra is located in India, and India is located in Asia. You can see the 7 childrens. This is the 7 continents. In this map, you can see the 7 childrens: Graham, Kataya, Michiko, Natalia, Meenakshi, Shahid, and Enric. If I will ask you question, what is direction of Taj Mahal? So you all will give me the different answers. But the Taj Mahal is located in Agra. However, each one of the children told the direction from their respective place. Their answers will be different, but the Agra is located in their respective place only. This means the use of direction alone to describe the location of the place. In this lesson, let what it is. So student, let us understand the gratitude. Students, here is a globe. Some is a vertical line, some horizontal. This lesson we will see what these lines are called, how many lines are there. Student, observe this figure. This is the globe. You can see the horizontal and vertical lines on the globe. This line is called network of the earth. जो लॉन्गिट्यूड है वो वर्टिकल लाइंस है और जो लैटिट्यूड है वो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस है. दिस लैटिट्यूड इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड पैरेलल लैटिट्यूड. दे आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे से कहीं भी नहीं मिलते हैं. Each parallel have some distance like 1 kilometer. और ये जो longitude है they are not parallel to each other because the pole of north and south longitude and latitudes comes together. Now see the earth size. The length of east, west and north-south diameter of the earth. This will give you some idea about the size of the earth. Oceanic water, uneven nature of land, forest, innumerable islands of different size and building make it impossible to actually draw such lines on the earth. In order to overcome this difficulty, geographer developed a miniature model of the earth in the form of a globe. अगर ग्लोब नहीं होता तो हम इजीली आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते थे कि कितनी प्लेस में ओशन लोकेटेड है, कितने एरियाज़ में नेचर्स, फॉरेस्ट, लैंड, इन्यूमरेबल आइलैंड, buildings located हैं. Through this globe we can easily identify the distance of the place or the state or the country. This can be used to determine location on the earth one can actually draw horizontal and vertical lines on a globe, through not on the earth. They are imaginary line on the earth. जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा होगा ग्लोब पे वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन को इमेजिनरी लाइन भी बोलते हैं. I hope you all understood till now. The remaining chapter I will continue in the next video of geography. Thank you.